This is number 151, problem solving. And what we're trying to figure out is what fraction of all boxes loaded by the two crews did the day crew load? So I need to find the number of day crew boxes over the total number. And that will give me my total number of boxes. That will be my answer. So how do you figure out your total number of boxes? It's going to be however many workers times however many boxes they can do. The rate at which the worker works. So let's let X be number of boxes for day. And the problem reads, each worker on the night crew loaded 3/4 as many boxes as each worker on the day crew. So I didn't know anything about the day crew, so I'll let that be X. So then 3/4 times X will be the number of boxes for the night crew. All right, that's boxes. Now let's talk about workers. Well, if the night crew has 4/5 as many workers as the day crew, well, let W equal number of day workers. And once again, they don't tell me anything about day workers. But they tell me that there's 4/5 as many workers as the day crew for the night. So 4/5 W will equal number of night workers. So let's see here. Let's figure out the number. Let's go ahead and form our fraction, I believe. So I want the total number of boxes. Well, total number of boxes will be day boxes plus night boxes. So how many day workers do I have? Day workers, I have W. And how many boxes do they do? Day does X. So WX for day. And we're doing total number of boxes. How many boxes at night? Well, that's going to be, we've got 4/5 W night workers. And now, how many boxes do the night people do? Night does 3/4 X. So that's the total number of boxes in the denominator. And we want the number of day boxes in the numerator. And that would be workers times number of boxes. So that's my W times X again. So I've got WX over WX plus the 4's cancel. And you're left with 3/5 WX. Now let's divide every term by WX, and that leaves me a 1 and a 1 plus a 3/5. Now let's multiply top and bottom by 5 because I've got this complex fraction with a 5 right there. So 1 times 5 is 5 in the numerator. In the denominator, I've got 5 times 1, which is 5, plus 5 times 3/5. The 5's cancel and you're left with a 3. So my answer is 5/8.